tastes bad, but it's not that bad.
Tell us again what model this is, Wayne.
Yeah, it's the Phoenix Models PC9. It's wonderful. If you don't have one, you're missing out. It is awesome.
What size?
Expensive.
What size battery you flying in it?
6 cell, 5,000. Old 13-year-old battery pack. And it's fun. Yeah, it's. Got a pretty good crosswind today, right now anyway.
Should have brought the radar gun so we could test the speed on it.
It does the ballerina dance, the tango, the tamborino, the burrito, it does it all. And it'll go out of sight. And we'll just test our limits. I bet you it'll go, well, until there's no battery.
Unlimited vertical.
Yeah, there we go. You can barely see it, but you can see it.
Spec.
Doing a circle, Merkle. Oh, the air's getting thin. And then what you do is you just pull back on the throttle, bring it around, send it straight to Earth.
And peel the wings off of it.
It only does until its terminal velocity and. For another test drive, drop her into the runway, bring her nice and close. Oh, it's lovely. For $179, you are in business.
Wow.
All right, we're gonna bring her.
You got to put the servos in it?
What's that?
You got to put the servos in it?
Oh, the cheapest I could find. $13.50. Let's see what kind of a landing we can bring in here. Might be a little hot.
Nice.
It's awesome.
So what flight times are you getting out of this?
Well, I can get anywhere from 8 minutes to 2.5.
Okay.
Depending on my thumb. And it's fun. It's tri landing gear, as you can see. Mechanical landing gear. Comes with a kit. Bang for the buck, you ain't gonna find it anywhere else.
It looks nice.
I don't know, this is like my second or third one.
Great flying, Wayne, and a beautiful airplane. That's the Phoenix model PC9, guys. May have to get myself one of these. All you got to do is add a receiver, motor, ESC, a few servos, and you'll be up and flying in no time. And this thing really rips. If you like what you saw here today, guys, please like and subscribe. I'm Jeff. This is Jeff's Custom RC. Have a great day from Kinston Aero-Modlers Club in Kinston, North Carolina.